Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage online sales with WooCommerce. Quick tutorial. To manage online sales with WooCommerce, first, ensure you have WooCommerce installed on. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the WooCommerce option in the left-hand menu. Click on Settings to access the WooCommerce configuration. Here, you will find several tabs, including General, Products, Tax, and Payments. In the General tab, set up your store location and currency options. Next, head to the Products tab to configure settings related to product display, reviews, and inventory. Enable inventory management if you want WooCommerce to track stock levels automatically. Now, go to the Payments tab to choose the payment methods you'd like to offer customers. Enable options such as PayPal, Stripe, or direct bank transfer according to your needs. Once payment methods are set up, click on the Shipping tab to configure your shipping zones and options. Add shipping classes if you have varying rates for different products. After completing initial settings, select the Products option from the left-hand menu. Click Add Product to create a new item for sale. Fill in the product title, description, and images to showcase the item effectively. Set the pricing and, if applicable, add any sale prices. Under the Inventory section, manage stock status and SKU if needed. Save the product draft. To publish it, click Publish once you're satisfied with the details. Next, monitor sales by going to the WooCommerce menu and selecting Orders. Here, you can view all orders placed by customers. Click on any order to view details, change order status, or process refunds if necessary. Utilize the Reports section to analyze your sales data over time. This helps identify trends, popular products, and areas for improvement. Lastly, keep your store updated with regular maintenance and product updates. Engaging with customers through email and feedback can also enhance your online sales experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.